Hello and Maori. My name is Miraka. Mi means dream and Raka means ambitious. That's why Miraka means an ambitious dreamer. In this video introduction, I would like to introduce myself and my family, my passions, and most importantly, how studying in America will help me to fulfill my dreams for the future of Kiribati. I love my homeland of Kiribati, but I know I must study abroad in order to bring back new experiences, knowledge, and skills that will develop Kiribati in the future. Kiribati is a democratic republic and is only 16 years older than myself, meaning Kiribati is only 37 years old. A young nation depends on the strength and new ideas of a young student, such as myself. I hope to study political science, especially international relations and public policy. This will lead me to a career in politics and eventually tourism developments with NGOs, such as the Phoenix Islands Protected Area. By linking governments and organizations, I can facilitate many ambitious developments for the future. But to prepare for the future, we must understand the past. In school, I love to study history. World War II was humanity's first global crisis. America fought one of the bloodiest battles here in Tarawa. America! America! I've always admired America's bravery and willingness to help other nations. But our current global crisis cannot be solved with war. Climate change is my generation's World War II. But this is a war that can only be fought through knowledge. By studying in America, I hope to swap cultural knowledge between Kiribati and the US. It will take political and environmental science and a massive international effort to adapt to climate change. So this is my mom. Her name is Sirita. She's from Miraka, the island of women. Last year she passed away from hepatitis B, and she always encouraged my education. This scholarship is my chance to make her proud. My father's name is Kekeri. He is a seafarer who ship travels between Kiribati and the US. He recently remarried with a Kiribati American woman named Ndane. She is from the Victoria, the island of the knives. If I get this scholarship, this will be my first opportunity to see my new American family. One day, I hope to enact public policies and international cooperations in Kiribati. My role in these efforts will be to help the people of Kiribati with land management that will protect the environment from pollution, encourage healthier, more hygienic standard of living, and promote sustainable developments through ecotourism. It is with great honor and appreciation that I will submit this application for your consideration. The Maori, the Roi, or the Tabamoa, which means in Kiribati, health, peace, and prosperity. Thank you very much.